Hey guys!
Hey, you guys gotta get in here.
Come join us.
We're gonna start a big woo. You gotta get in here.
We're gonna start a roar.
We need to start a roar here.
You gotta come.
I just like to yell at shit.
Yeah.
We're gonna start yelling.
We're gonna start yelling.
We're ready?
More people.
Oh, okay, guys, get in here. We're gonna start a yell.
Everybody string shoes for a belt.
Woo!
1, 2, 3.
Woo! Did it carry?
What?
Ah!
Found bocce balls.
You found bocce balls, dude?
No! Yeah. Normally it's just one
Sweet.
person. Yeah, no shit.
Bring them by here, man. We'll set it up on the front lawn
At least
here.
we didn't go it alone.
Ah, man.
It didn't work.
I don't know. I've seen people yelling and
There,
then,
and then it was all
but
over.
then you didn't go very far.
That's unfortunate. Hello.
Happy Shambhala, guys.
Oh,
Hello.
Tried.
Yes, sir. Indican.
Indeed.
Hello. Hello.
That's what we're going for. Woo! Okay, guys.
Awesome.
Thanks, guys.
Who's gonna lose their hearing, and it's gonna be me.
Happy Shambhala. Happy Shambhala to you.
I do not endorse this.
I'm endorsing everything. I like this. Oh, that's.
Oh, that's like a big worm.
wish that was a doobie.
No, I actually thought it was for a second.
I totally.
Then like he pulled us into his trip.
Really?
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 I don't even smoke that. Just to say I did.
Happy Shambhala.
Happy Shambhala.
I thought it was a doobie
You pulled
too.
us into your trip, man. He's
Yeah, we're both
like,
like.
oh, that's a joint. We're like, no, that's a joint. Whoa, dude. No way, that's a joint.
All of a sudden, we're totally in your trip, dude. We're like.
That's a lot of weed in there.
Oh, it's still recording.